In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to create a TikTok agency account. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website ads.tiktok.com. Once you're over here, click on Get Started. Now you'll need to fill this. Firstly, type in your email address, then type in the password. Then checking for the option to agree with the terms and conditions. Click on Sign Up. You'll be receiving code in your email address that you have just entered. So you'll need to confirm your email address. Type in the code over here and click on Get Started. Now you'll need to fill in your basic details, your business name, your industry, and optionally your website URL. Click Accept to move forward. Once you're inside, you'll see the Ads Manager dashboard. You can go ahead and add your first creative, adjust your budget and audience targeting, then click Publish to finish the setup. Don't worry, you can always change these settings later. Now, to turn this into an agency account, go to top left corner of your dashboard and click the drop down. Select Business Center. From here, TikTok will ask what best describes your business. Choose Agency, then enter your details, country, company name, time zone, click Create. You may see an option to skip extra steps. Just hit skip if you don't need to add anything else, and that's it. You have successfully created your TikTok agency account. Now you can manage multiple ad accounts to run campaigns for clients and scale your business. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.